Hi guys, if you have a Chime virtual card and you want to use it for in-store purchases, you can pay directly from your phone using a mobile wallet. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to simply open your Chime application on your phone. Now, when you open it, you just have to simply select the option of Move Money tab in the bottom. After doing so, you will be landed on the virtual card details page of yours where you are going to see your virtual card, its expiration date and the CVV. And in the bottom of it, you are going to see this type of add to Apple Wallet button. So if you are using it on Android, you may see the option of add to Google Wallet or a Samsung Wallet. Just make sure that NFC, which is also known as the contactless payment, is enabled on your smartphone. This allows your device to basically communicate with the payment terminals at stores. So when you are ready to pay, you just have to simply unlock the phone and open the wallet application containing your Chime virtual card. Then you just have to simply select the card if it isn't already set as the default payment method. After doing so, you just have to simply position your phone near the contactless payment reader. Keep it there for a moment until you see a confirmation message, hear a beep, or feel a vibration indicating that the payment was processed. So once the payment is approved, you will receive a confirmation on your phone and the purchase will also appear in your Chime transaction history shortly afterward. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.